Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to create a fully functional real-time chat application using Flutter and Superbase for real-time chatting and auth authentication. But here is the twist. I am going to write all the code using Cursor AI, an AI-powered code editor. Sounds exciting, right? Let's jump right in. So first of all, create a Flutter project and open in the Cursor editor. Before that, we will have to have a project on Superbase and on this Google Cloud here. And you will also have to create the credentials for Google login. So first of all, let me open the Cursor composer here by Command L using Command L. And we will start writing our instruction, what we want in our application. Let me write the instruction. So we are going to build a real one pair application mission and using mission we will utilize the Google sign package for Google sign and Firebase for all and Quest database. We will have two tables, two tables, profile and messages. Messages. Now let's start by creating the table in Firebase. Yes. So this will be the experiment to run in, in Superbase. And so now let's copy this and come back here. So I have already did it. So let me paste it here and run it. And now it will go in the database. You can see sender ID is in content and everything we need. So now we are done with this. Now let's start by creating a splash screen, login screen. So let's see. Let's see. Let's accept all of this. Change notify provider. Only not try not using this. So it should modify the code to use stream builder instead of change notify. This will be much better. Now accept all and you can just we can now let's come back here and supervise. For now we also remove this, so we'll install it. So in the main.dot file, we will have to replace this with actual URL and anonymous key from the supervise here. As you can see, we will copy this and in we will use Google sign and for supervised or we will use sign in with ID token. So let's accept it and see what's the problem. Okay, we'll check. From here, we will copy this client ID and we don't need the server ID. Just remove it from here. Okay, so stand for that. We'll have to copy this from here and here. And then in the main file, let's see. Instance element can be using static access. So first of all, here check see if any auth service to use instance method instead of static method. We need to create one instance. Okay. So let me close this out. So now, as you can see, after restarting the app, we are not getting any problem. Before we try to sign in, we will have to configure it. So let me ask the cursor if it can configure the iris.plist file properly. And information the folder is login sign. Okay, let me close this, run this again. So let me try this, try to log in. So I'll continue and let me select this account and see. So yeah, we are successfully logged in. So let me check here. As you can see here, this is my account. I'm logged in. One more thing, I will check profile here. Okay. So after login, the profile shows the user should be added to profile table as I can see not. You are right. We need to add user to profile table after successfully while signing. Let's modify the auth service. Okay. Let's modifying our code. Let's accept. Let me click another. Let's try to log in with this account and see if so. As you can see, we have both two accounts here now. So now let's move on. And first of all, I ask you to delete all the files and some context. Now let's create the shared list in Janet. So let's see. Mm, Let the chat list all the messages. And start modify the code to show unique chat messages. So let me accept this and see what I'm getting here. So now let me search for search. Let me type the message. As you can see, we are not getting messages. Let me check if we have okay real time. We have to enable the real time. Now, still okay. So now you can see we have messages here in real time. Here, very fresh. Read this language. So the real time chatting is working properly now. And let me check this again. Hello. We'll just log off from here. Log in with this on and see. Hey, can this? So there is a problem here. You will have to change the. Okay, now this is good. Just come back here and refresh it. Delete this message and check. Okay, so everything is working fine. Let's start and see our share. Login page is good as well. So as you can see, we can create any application with Cursor AI very easily and fast. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye.